Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the door assembly on a Samsung dryer. Need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. If you damage any of the components of the door assembly, minus the lever latch, you'll need to replace the entire assembly, as Samsung does not sell the components individually. With the door open, start by removing these two screws. Then, firmly grasp the door and lift up and out to remove. If you have a bad door assembly and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. With the hinge swung outward, we'll first need to start by aligning this screw with this opening and set the door in place. Then, reinstall the two screws. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.